Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the ad blocker in Google Chromia. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once it opens, go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. A menu will appear. From here, scroll down and click on Settings. Now inside Settings, look at the left side and click on Privacy and Security. After that, scroll down and click on Site Settings. Now scroll all the way down and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. Here, select the option Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. This will allow pop-ups on websites. After that, click the back button at the top to return to the previous menu. Now scroll down again and click on Additional Content Settings. Here, find and click on Intrusive Ads. Now select the option that allows sites to show ads. This will disable Chrome's built-in ad blocking for certain sites. Also, one important step. If you have installed any ad blocker extensions in Chrome, make sure to disable them as well. You can do this by going to Extensions from the Chrome menu and turning them off. After completing all these steps, ads should start appearing on websites normally. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.